This is the Yaya So Lake, guys. Look at the view.
700 करना है।
वहाँ खाने नहीं दिया, अब कहते चलो वहीं चलते हैं।
Oh my god, look at this is the Yaya So Lake, guys. That lead to that Yaya So Lake is not so good. Look at the view, guys. Look at the view, guys. Mind-blowing beautiful. What's the view? Beautiful. Let's go. Neoma is 19 kilometer away and we are going to have lunch there. Very, very beautiful. What a view. The road is also very beautiful and the Hanle is still 85 kilometer away. They are saying that the road is like this. I think we can cover it 2 hours. We should reach there by 6 after all the stoppage on the way. Let's see if you are able to do this. But the beauty, you have to admire it. Let me ask him what's the issue. And he just started his bike again. Maybe he took a picture of this place 17 kilometer away. Neoma, Jule. These are our rider buddies, Sumit, Pratik. And who is this guy who is coming so fast? Rajkumar. What a beautiful ride. What a memorable ride in this mighty Himalaya region. Crystal clear water, surrounding mountains, and the beautiful road. Everything is so mesmerizing. Cannot find it somewhere else, I think. Yesterday I met a fellow from New Zealand and he was like, we have mountain there in New Zealand, it's very beautiful, but you cannot compare them with Himalayas. Himalaya is, very, very good, very beautiful to see that. They have also snow chain with them to ride in the heavy snow. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Look at the formation of mountains over there. Beautiful. That over there is Neoma. It's beautiful. It is a lake or a river, I don't know. But it's very beautiful. We'll try to fill our tank over there. We'll have our lunch over there. Beautiful in this beautiful town, Neoma. Beautiful. What I love about the people of Ladakh is how they have conserved these areas. There is no garbage, no plastic to be seen on the road, and maybe some tourist may drop it, but The native people of this area, they try to conserve the environment, no garbage, no nonsense. It's very beautiful, and respect to them for not destroying and preserving this beautiful mother nature. Try to find petrol pump here. We'll try to eat here. Let's see. Let's see. With this blue structure building is petrol pump. It look like it, but we have to be near. A little bit like Padum of Janskar Valley. No, it not petrol pump. Small. Let's see. There are. Let us find our team here. Neoma. I don't know where is our team. Is this our team? No. Rajkumar is behind me. He's telling me to go forward. Okay. I will go forward. Beautiful place. This is beautiful. I have found the petrol pump over there. Let's hope. Our entire team is there. I'm able to see some bikes over there. Anle is just 70 kilometers from here. We'll try to fill our tank and carry some fuel with us if we are able to get the fuel. Let us see. 500 का कर दीजिए.
वो टंकी खोल दे, सोलह टंकी तो खोल देगा.
टंकी भी खोल लें. ये लीजिए. 500 हो गया. इसमें
पेट्रोल कितना करने?
700 का कर दीजिए.
700 करना है.
थोड़ा सा 200 रुपये दियो मैडम. 200 का और कर दीजिए. देखो लेकिन आओगा कि ना. 2 लीटर आ जाओगा.
नहीं होता.
फिरोत ले.
हो गया.
या.
बस. ये ऊपर से निकल रहा है. रहने दीजिए.
हाँ, हो गया सर.
500.
ओ.
वो उसका ढक्कन बंद कर दिया आपने. आजा आजा. कुछ खाना को नहीं. कुछ खाना को नहीं के.
कहाँ जा रहे हैं?
कुछ खाना को नहीं.
वहाँ खाने नहीं दिया. अब कहते चलो वहीं चलते हैं.
कितने?
सीधा वहीं पे.
वहीं पे कहाँ?
हैं?
वहीं पे कहाँ?
वहीं खा लेंगे. चल
वही किताब है. आड़े कुछ भी खा लेंगे. इस पर थोड़ा
6
सा.
बजे पहुँच जाएंगे.
अरे थोड़ा सा पीछे नहीं गए आपा.
पीछे क्यों जाना है? वापसी क्यों जाना है? इधर चलेंगे.
आओ तो देख ले भी कुछ ना कुछ
एक
मिल
मिनट
जाए.
रुक जाए यार. मैंने क्या खाना. रुक सकती होगी एक मिनट.
आड़े देख लेंगे फिर. आड़े नहीं. आड़े खा ले के दिक्कत है.
क्या कह रहा है?
मैंने को या तो आड़े खा ले या यहाँ पर खा ले के
क्यों
दिक्कत
खाना है? चलो वहीं खा लेंगे. 6 बजे पहुँचेंगे.
है.
6 बजे पहुँच जाएंगे.
ना लेट हो जाए तो भूखी लाग रही. 6 बजे क्यों खाऊंगे.
चल
अच्छा यार. आजा. इस पर चल रहे हैं पंजाबी ढाबा जम्मू.